Hello, Jacob Daniluk here from Tieline, the Codec company, at the NAB 2026 show. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Tieline Duo. It's a 2-channel IP audio codec that supports dual Ethernet, dual USB for connectivity, built-in Wi-Fi, as well as a few new options from Tieline. The first option is optional cellular built directly into this hardware. It's an add-on at the factory. We also support HDMI output, so that way you can do off-tube commentary live from your studio, receive an SRT, wrist, or RTSP feed straight to the Duo, so you can broadcast and commentate live to the video feed coming from the arena directly. This unit also supports stuff like audio over IP, such as AES67, SMPTE 2110-30, Ravenna, Livewire Plus, and optional Dante. If you'd like to learn more about the Tieline Duo and its amazing features, please contact our friends at Markertek.com. Thank you.